Meaning of emeritus.
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 Emeritus. Emeritus is a Latin term that refers to a person who has retired from their profession or occupation but retains their title as an honorific. It is often used to signify someone who has achieved a high level of expertise or accomplishment in a particular field. The title of emeritus is typically granted to professors, clergy members, politicians, and other professionals. It is a way of recognizing their contributions and honoring their legacy. Overall, emeritus implies respect, prestige, and recognition for a lifetime of dedicated work in a particular field.